All right, so as I was saying, there's 37 centimeters long for my necklace and 19 centimeters long for my bracelet. And I'm trying to figure out how much longer my necklace is. Well, I know that I could easily do an equation. So there's two equations I could do. I'm going to do the simpler one first. All I have to do is if there's 37 centimeters for my necklace, I just have to take away what's the same here and then I can find the difference. To find this difference, you can count back. You can do your making a 10 strategy. You can draw tens and ones and change it. I'm going to draw tens and ones to change it to solve my question. So I have 37, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have to take away 19. Well, I can't take away 9 ones from here, so I'm going to change this group of 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 19. Minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, minus 19. Let's see how many I have left. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The other way I can solve for a little part, and you should all know this, is by taking the little part I already have, right? 19 is what I already have. That's how many centimeters is the same. Plus, I don't know, equals 37. So you can either count on to find the difference or you can subtract to find the difference. Now, let's do one together. Okay, so these are our bigger numbers here. This time, let's say that the necklace is 40 centimeters long and the bracelet is 20 centimeters long. I'm going to first draw my picture. Probably like this much. Now, if this is 20 centimeters long, what is this part right here? How long is this part of the necklace? That's right, that's 20 centimeters long as well. So I have to figure out this one. So I can either subtract or I can add. I'm going to subtract because it's easier. If I'm subtracting, what's the number I need to start with? That's right, 40, because that's my bigger number. That's my big hole here, because that's the length of my necklace. Now, what number should I subtract? That's right, I should subtract 20 because that's what I know is the same. I can simply count back by tens, 40, 30, 20. All right, you're all set to try to do some of these word problems on your own. Have fun!